Hey everyone, Zia here and welcome back to the channel. I have some absolutely insane and important updates for you today, okay? Let's jump right into it. Okay, viewers, hold on to your seats. An economic blueprint so massive just hit the table, it could reshape India's future. Hundreds of bold ideas dropped right into the government's lap. Is this the game changer we've been waiting for, or a pipe dream? The Confederation of Indian Industry just unveiled over 250 proposals across 14 crucial areas. They're talking faster approvals, radical tax shifts, and a simplified tariff structure. And look, the on-screen text highlights CII 250 plus reform proposals. It's huge. One of the biggest bombshells, linking your personal income tax exemption and standard deduction directly to inflation. No more ad hoc changes, viewers, they want fairness for all. They also want to include petroleum, electricity, real estate, and alcohol under GST. And the text on screen screams, taxes and inflation linked. They're pushing for a single 10% GST rate by 2030, a three-tiered tariff structure for global integration, and even privatizing non-strategic public sector enterprises. The on-screen text asks, single GST rate by 2030. Imagine the ripple effect across every sector. These aren't just suggestions. They're a direct response to the Prime Minister's call for next-gen reforms. From digitized land titling to decriminalizing minor violations, the blueprint is comprehensive. But will the government adopt this ambitious vision and truly change India's economic landscape? In other news, a surprising development has just come to our attention. Viewers, you won't believe the numbers we're seeing. A medical device giant is up for grabs, demanding billions. Is this an insane opportunity or a ticking time bomb we need to defuse? Tyner Orthotics, a name synonymous with innovation, is seeking new investors, with talks valuing them at an astonishing 3,500 to 4,000 crore rupees. And look at this on screen, it means Lighthouse Funds, a major investor, is aiming for a full exit after 7 years. Last year, talks with big names like Temasek were put on hold. Now, O3 Capital is back in the game, trying to offload about 60% of the company's stake. When you see this on the screen, you realize the scale of this move. This isn't just about Tyner, viewers. The Indian medical devices sector is exploding, projected to hit $50 billion in 5 years. Look at the growth data right here. It's fueled by rising insurance and an expanding patient base. That's a massive shift. Tyner's revenues hit nearly 500 crore rupees last year, profits surging to 73 crore. They're making moves. So, with such a massive valuation and a booming sector, the question is, viewers, is this sale a genius play for the future, or is something bigger at stake? Alright, moving on to our next story. Viewers, prepare yourselves. A massive vault of capital just exploded, changing the game for India's most cutting-edge startups. Are we on the verge of a Deeptech revolution? Unicorn India Ventures, a name you need to know, is supercharging its third fund. They're hitting the green shoe option, which means they're expanding their massive 1,000 crore fund, and look at this on screen. Fund explosion, 1,000 CR to 1,200 CR. That's an extra 200 crore, viewers. This isn't just about more money, it's about where it's going. Quantum computing, drone tech, biotech, space tech, the future is now. And get this, for the first time, they've raised funds from US limited partners. When you see it here, US investors, a game changer, you realize this is massive. Their strategy? Investing in back-end AI like cybersecurity, where the real stability is. And the proof is in the details. Their first fund returned 30x DPI and growing. That's insane returns, viewers. Their check sizes have jumped too, from $300,000 to nearly $1.5 million. This isn't just one firm. The entire Deeptech sector is surging, with other funds raising hundreds of millions. It's a gold rush for innovation. But with all this capital pouring into the unknown, is this the start of an unstoppable tech boom, or are we building a house of cards? What's the real endgame here, viewers? Okay, from the world of politics to the world of entertainment. Okay, viewers, you are not going to believe this financial roller coaster. Vodafone Idea's stock just exploded a massive 16% in 2 days. Is this a miracle turnaround, or are we missing something bigger here? The buzz is all about potential relief on their insane adjusted gross revenue dues. We're talking 83,400 crore rupees. And look at this on-screen detail. The Department of Telecommunications is reportedly proposing multiple relief options. They're talking about a 2-year payment pause and even waiving penalties. It sounds huge, right? But the total AGR burden, including interest and penalties, still looms at a mind-blowing 2 lakh crore rupees, as you see highlighted on your screen. But wait, viewers, despite this surge, the consensus recommendation from 20 analysts is actually sell for Vodafone Idea, and the experts are completely split. Look at this right here on your screen, analyst consensus, sell. Analysts say Vi is still losing market share, and planned investments are jeopardized without real relief. Could this lead to a telecom duopoly, leaving millions of us with fewer choices? What would you do in this situation, viewers? Drop your theories in the comments below. Alright, that's all for today. Don't forget to hit that button. It really helps the channel out. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next Zone News.